You know, there's many reasons why men suffer from low testosterone, and it's our job at Epoch Health to determine what's causing it and then to determine the best ways to safely and effectively treat it. So it all starts right here in your brain. Within your brain is the hypothalamus, which is the part of the brain that measures all of your body's hormone levels. The hypothalamus sends a signal of those measurements to your pituitary gland, which tells your body what to produce when your measurements are low. When the levels get low, the body will automatically produce a signal which will cause the cells within your testicles to start producing testosterone. The testosterone produced will then be released into your bloodstream and give your body what it needs to function normally. However, when the cycle is broken and the body isn't sending or receiving the necessary signals, it will not produce the proper amounts of testosterone. One of the symptoms in men with low T is lack of sleep. Not only is sleep vitally important for cardiovascular health, weight loss, and stress management, sleep is also one of the most important factors when it comes to producing testosterone. Because the signal your brain sends to produce testosterone is primarily produced during the deep phases of sleep. So if you're not getting good, deep sleep, then you're probably not producing enough testosterone for a normal, healthy lifestyle. However, there's a catch-22. You need a certain amount of testosterone to even get into that deep sleep. And here's where the problem lies. Once the cycle is broken, it's extremely difficult to get things back on track. Thus, your body becomes hypogonadal or low T. This is where you start to feel all the symptoms of weight gain, energy loss, and a myriad of other low-quality life feelings. With testosterone therapy, we can help you get more of that deep restorative sleep you need to get your body back to its normal function. Now you can experience the true benefits of testosterone therapy like more energy, muscle gain, fat loss, better exercise results, and improved mood and libido. While we do this, however, it's vitally important that we don't damage your body's natural ability to produce testosterone. This is what makes the Epoch approach unique in the medical world. We call this testicular preservation. How do we do it? With a molecule we give called HCG. HCG simulates the brain signal that tells the cells in the testicles to produce natural testosterone. This helps prevent the testicles from shrinking because we keep them active and naturally producing their own hormones. Now, another thing we monitor very closely is your estrogen level. Yes, like women, men have estrogen. We need it for libido, energy, to prevent things like brittle bones. It's also good for HDL, which is the good cholesterol in our bodies. The testosterone in your body is converted into estrogen by an enzyme that resides primarily in belly fat. So if you got a lot of belly fat, you're probably making too much estrogen. When men have too much estrogen, like women, we retain fluid, which causes bloating, rapid weight gain, or fluid on our legs. High estrogen can also cause sensitive nipples, moodiness, and breast enlargement. In other words, it's a dangerous hormone just to have running around your body unchecked. That's why if we see signs of a man having excess estrogen, we try to curb that with a tiny pill, which will help prevent your body from converting too much testosterone into estrogen and bring you back into the normal range. Now listen, men, this is important. If you notice any of these symptoms or any symptoms at all, please make sure you bring that up to your Epoch provider. A lot of guys start feeling really good and then they get afraid to mention anything negative because they feel that will take away or decrease the testosterone and they don't want to lose the benefits they found on the therapy. Know that we are all dedicated to providing this service to you safely, and we have many ways to treat any possible side effects. Just always be open and honest. Last thing you need to remember is that in order for this therapy to work correctly, we need to see you every week. Don't worry, you don't have to make a weekly appointment. Just come in when your shot is due. We'll get you in and out in about 20 minutes. In fact, this should be the longest appointment you ever have. Now, a lot of guys ask, why do I have to come in every single week? And the answer is simple. Testosterone only lasts in your body for about 7 days. By taking weekly injections, we're able to consistently increase your baseline levels to a healthy place without the negative peaks and valleys that make you feel bad. Some guys try testosterone therapy by taking a higher dose injection once every 2 or 4 weeks, but then complain that they felt great the first week, but really bad the weeks thereafter. Just remember, no matter how big the dose is, it's only going to last for about 7 days. To make your weekly visits convenient, you're welcome to come in every 6, 7, or 8 days, but anything after 8 days can start to affect the way that you feel, at least until we get your body reactivated and producing its own testosterone. So do your best to be consistent and you'll get the best results.